We are given that sine theta equals root 3 over 7 and cos theta is greater than 0. Observe that sine theta is positive as well as cos theta is also positive. So therefore, theta should lie in first quadrant. And we have to determine sine of 2 theta. So here we can utilize double angle identity for sine function. So we know that sine of 2x, this equals 2 sine x cos x. And if we replace x by theta, we get sine of 2 theta. This equals 2 sine of theta times of cos of theta. So when we use this identity, we can replace this value as root 3 over 7, which is already given. However, we do not know the cos of theta. So first, let's determine the cos theta value. For this, I'm going to construct the right triangle in quadrant 1. Since we already determined that theta lies in quadrant 1, so let's construct the right triangle like this. And let this be angle theta. So we are given that sine theta equals root 3 over 7. When we use the Sokart-Over formula, sine theta equals the opposite side over hypotenuse. So the opposite side to theta is this side. That is, I mark root 3 over here. And the adjacent, the hypotenuse is 7. So I mark 7 over here. Now we have to determine this side length. So when we use the Pythagorean theorem, this side length is equal to under the root of square of this side, that is the hypotenuse square, minus of the square of the other side, that is root 3 quantity square. And this gives square root of 49 minus of when we square this up, this root will go off and this becomes 3. So it's basically square root of 46. So we have determined that this side length equals root of 46, which means we can find the cos theta. Cos theta equals adjacent side, that is this side is square root of 46. So adjacent side is root 46 over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 7. So this becomes root 46 over 7. Now we can replace the cos theta into this identity, that is sine of 2 theta. This equals 2 times of sine theta, which we already know that it is root 3 over 7, times of cos theta is root 46 over 7. So we can plug this into the calculator and get the value. In fact, before we plug this into the calculator, we can simplify a little bit further and then plug it into the calculator. When we multiply root 3 times of root 46, we just have to multiply 46 times of 3, which gives square root of 138. So on the numerator, we have 2 times of root 38 and 7 times of 7 equals 49. So we plug this into the calculator, and when we do that, we get 0.4795. This is rounded to 4 decimal places. So this is the value of sine of 2 theta.